What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a feature on the Moto G Stylus that you probably don't know about. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so you got your Moto G Stylus and you've done some customizations, so you don't know what else to do with the phone. So I just found a feature that I think is going to be very, very useful, and I feel like a lot of people do not know about this feature, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to activate that. First thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is swipe down, and you're going to click on the gear icon right here, and that's going to take you into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to scroll down all the way to Stylus right here, click on that, and these are some very, very awesome key features. First option we have right here is launch default note app when the stylus is removed, so you guys can go ahead and turn that on or off. Device unlocked when the stylus is removed. Shortcuts, so it either launches an app, so you can go ahead and customize that through the gear right there, or you could show nothing, or you can change the shortcuts right here and put whatever you want in here. So say we want YouTube on here, go ahead and click on YouTube, and that is added to the shortcuts. All we have to do is pull out the little stylus right here, and YouTube is right there. Go ahead and click on it. Very, very quick shortcut. So that's a very, very useful feature. The other features on here that I think are really, really cool too is removal reminder. So this basically sends notifications when the stylus has been out for a period of time without use. So if you want to turn that on, go ahead and turn that on. It's going to send you a little warning. The next one we have right here is something that I thought was really, really weird: record last removal. And I thought this was super cool as well. But you can record the time and location of the last stylus removal. So if you've removed it right here, so go ahead and turn that on, allow time right there. Go ahead and pull this out, leave it somewhere, and it's going to record the time, and it's going to record the location that you guys last left it. So that's really, really cool. And of course, you want this setting to be turned on. If you guys don't have this setting on, you definitely want this on. Vibrate when inserted. Definitely one of the most satisfying things about this phone. Let's go ahead and pop that in right there, and it vibrates. But yeah, guys, if this video was helpful to you, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, go ahead and put in the comments down below what type of videos do you want to see in the future on this channel. I'm really interested in what you guys want, and also what other phones do you want me to check out on this channel. This is Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.